All right, testing, 1, 2, 3. Test, whoa. Let's get to work. Alrighty guys, Tucker here. Thanks for watching this video. Wherever you are in your life, I truly appreciate you, where you're at, whether you are at work, whether you're at school, whether you're at play, whether you are advanced, just trying to scale your methods, or whether you're completely absolute, front of the line beginner. I'm really excited that you are here to actually learn how to make money with Facebook groups, okay? So just a little bit of background, just some context for why this video is a really good video on why you should be using Facebook groups to actually grow your business. So I've been launching products. I launch Whoa, okay. I launch products, okay? I launch products online, whether it's organically or whether it's paid. Just during the past week, one of my clients has actually made $10,000 plus from his coaching business because of Facebook groups and his Facebook profile. Another one of my clients, we've actually scaled to $10,000 this month during the past month in by leveraging his Facebook group. And another client of mine during the past year and a half, we've basically launched his offers with Facebook groups to $130,000. And again, simply all organic, okay? We haven't spent too much on Facebook ads, any type of ads. It's all been organic, which is so cool, okay? Like imagine making $130,000 without spending a dime on paid ads, okay? Now this video is especially geared towards online entrepreneurs, course builders, infopreneurs, agency owners, anyone who has a solid working offer that can be basically applied and launched online, okay? Now it doesn't have to be just these types of people. If you have a great working offer, if you have, info products that you want to sell, this is also a great way to make money with Facebook groups, okay? So basically every single client, every single student that I work with, I always follow the same exact formula that I work with, okay? So basically it is, my 5-step program is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's research. Oh shoot. We research first. We create an offer based off of the research that we've done. We plug it into a sales machine, and then we get traffic to it. We get traffic, sorry about my chicken scratch, but anyway, we get traffic to it, and then after that we scale, okay? So once everybody knows this 5-step process, no matter where you are at, you always fit in one of these 5 steps. So let's just say you are having a hard time getting people to convert when you get traffic. That's because steps 3, 2, and 1 need to be reworked. Let's just say you're having a hard time scaling, your business. That means you need to get better at steps 1 through 4. Let's just say your offer is not converting, meaning you're not getting leads and you're not getting, sales. That means your research needs to be done. Let's just say you're not making sales. That again means your offer sucks and you need to get better at research, okay? So once you have this dialed in, this will help you, again, make money with Facebook groups, okay? Try not to go around any other thing besides this, okay? Just stick with the steps, stick with the system. So once you have this all dialed in, once you know exactly what you're trying to do, okay? You know exactly what you're offering, who you're targeting, what you're trying to do. You can then start growing your Facebook, Facebook group and making money with it, okay? So basically, like again, I said, I have a client right now. He just crossed $10,000 this past week on his first webinar. He's crossed $10,000 in sales by simply creating an offer to his current audience and then launching that through his Facebook profile and Facebook group, okay? Not just groups, but if you can leverage every single traffic source, then you'll be just fine. We also have another client of mine, like I said, he's crossed $10,000 this month by leveraging his profile and his two Facebook groups, his free one and his paid one, okay? The people who have paid him money are in one group. The other people who have not paid him money just yet are in the free group, okay? So once you have this dialed in, then you can start. Now, there is a question that I post on my Facebook profile, basically, and every single client that I have. It is always a question that will entice people, that will get people hyped and excited to actually go and join your group, okay? So the question is, if I was to go and launch a Facebook group on X, who would be interested in joining? That's it, okay? This is one of the best ways that you can scale from 0 members in your group to 500 to 1,000 people inside of your group within that first week by simply asking this question, okay? So once you have that dialed in, you just simply go and ask, hey, if I was to create a Facebook group that taught you specifically on how to do X, okay, who would be interested in joining? Okay, those exact words as soon as you post. Like, don't even stop watching this video right now. Pause it. Go post this on your profile and just see what happens. Now, it's not just Facebook. You can do this on YouTube. You can do this on Instagram. You can literally do this on any type of social media platform that you have. You can even send it to your email list for all I care. Like, go and just do it, okay? Whatever audience you currently have, just post and say, hey, if I was to launch a Facebook group that taught you specifically how to do X, who would be interested in joining? You'll get me, okay? So what you want to do then is reply back to all of them saying, hey, cool. It will be live during the next couple of weeks, okay? So then you'll get it ready. You'll create it, you'll launch it, you'll do whatever, okay? Now, what I also use is I use a software called Group Funnels, okay? This software has made me and my clients so much money. Group Funnels, okay? Now, there's a link in the description below, and if you end up joining, I've got a couple bonuses for you. But anyway, Group Funnels, if you end up joining this, what it does is, you know how with Facebook groups, I'm sure you've joined a few, where it actually asks you a certain question, or it asks you like 3 questions, like, hey, how'd you find this group? Hey, you know, what are you wanting to learn? And then enter your email address below so you can do this. Group Funnels actually captures the 3 questions that we ask when people join. We find out how our marketing is doing by asking the question, hey, you know, where'd you find this group? The second question is always the customer research question. Check that out, customer research, okay? And then the third is the lead gen side of things. So Group Funnels gathers all that information and then sends it directly to my email marketing software, my client's email marketing software, whoever's group it is at that time, okay? So we've generated tons of leads, but for free, just by leveraging Group Funnels. It's an amazing tool, okay? So again, once you do that, you ask that question, you have this installed, and then after that, you just launch, okay? You have to plan and create the hype. So typically what I like to do is on a Friday, I'll be like, hey, I've got something really cool for you guys, you know, upcoming. Make sure you check out my posts during the next couple of weeks, on Monday or whatever, okay? So once that Monday comes, you then launch, okay? You launch that sucker, you launch that offer to your audience. Now that offer, again, is your free Facebook group, okay? The way you can generate money is to get people inside of your group first, give them value, and then 2 to 4 weeks after that, you hit them over the head with an amazing offer, okay? An offer is whether it's free or whether it's paid. Try to get paid, okay? Well, it depends on where you're at, but anyway, we'll go from there. So you tease them on a Friday, you launch it on a Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll go like this, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, once you launch, you open it, meaning, right, this is where you open it on that Monday, and then every single day during that next 1 to 2 weeks, all you're talking about on your profile is about your group, okay? All you're saying is, wow, we already had 300 people during the past 24 hours join. Holy crap. And then you'll put the link of the group in the comments section of that post that you just did on Facebook, because Facebook doesn't like links. They like Facebook to stay on Facebook. So if you put links inside of posts, people won't see it. They'll actually hide this post from people. You want to do the post and then say, check out the comments below in that post, and in the comments section, you will have the group linked where they can join, okay? Now, every single person that's going through, they're answering the questions, the 3 questions that you have, you're generating leads, and then you're getting them in here. So not only are you building up your profile audience, not only are you building up your group audience, but now you're generating emails to where you can actually like send them emails on more things, okay? Now, here's where it gets super crazy. Not only just emails, okay, but imagine doing this with also a chat bot, okay? So not even here yet. We're going to do that. Imagine sending them a link to a chat bot. So then you can build I'm just going to do chat bot, chat list, email list. I'm just going to do Facebook profile, and then your group. All of this can be done with a chat bot. You send one link, and all of these things can be built, okay? So when you send people the link, don't send the link to your group. Send the link of your chatbot right here, okay? So this just keeps cycling, but you can scale to over 1,000, 2,000 members using this whole formula to make money with your Facebook group, okay? So like I said, the whole week, and then you're just doing value, value for 2 weeks, okay? You're just gonna do this for an entire 2 weeks, okay? We'll just do this right here. 2 whole weeks, okay? Let's just say 2 to 4, depends on who your audience is. They might need more value, give them more value depending on the price point. If it's, you know, 30 bucks, then do it for 1 week. If it's $1,000, give value for 4 straight weeks. Like, try not to go to the sale too fast. Most people will do that and they'll kill their list. Like, don't do that. So once you do this, then that will then lead to your launch that you can do. And again, you're following the same launch schedule, the same launch cycle, not just for the free group, but now you can do the same schedule here for the paid, okay? So this is the exact formula that we've used to launch, again, $10,000 weeks to $10,000 months to $20,000 months, just by leveraging this type of formula. So if you are interested in learning how to launch your own Facebook group, whether you want to do it yourself or whether you want someone to do it for you, we specialize in doing this for our students, for our clients, whoever we're working with, and we love this stuff. Like, we absolutely love launching Facebook groups. Not only that, though, it's just a tool, right? Facebook group is just a tool, but making people money off of their Facebook groups. So anyway, if you are interested, there's a link in the description. Click that link. You'll see more information on how you can actually grow your business with the Facebook group. And if you have any questions, please comment below. But also, since we're talking about commenting, comment below and tell me what kind of group you have, what kind of niche you're in, and then how you plan on making money with your Facebook group. I really would like to know on how you plan to leverage this strategy for your own Facebook groups, okay? So not only that, though, give this video a like. This helps me understand, you know, what you guys like in terms of the type of content that I can give you. And if you don't like it, don't give it a dislike. You can, that's totally fine, I don't care. But like, give me a comment below on what you would like to see different, on what you would like to see improved, okay? And then depending on the content that I get through research, I will adapt my message in order to create better, more fulfilling, and valuable content for you guys. So anyway, Tucker signing off. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any questions, comment below, and I will see you on the next video.